Hey, how you doing? My name is Michael Petty, and so me and my wife went out to Walmart. Currently, put some meatballs on with some barbecue sauce, a little bit of jelly in there. It's gonna cook for a couple hours or so because it's on the crock pot. And I went home just talking to my wife and my mother. She down here visiting in the state of Georgia, so I got some sweet potato pies coming. Oh, that's delicious. I got some blackberry pie coming. That's That's what my mother like to do. And also tea cakes. I know that's coming soon. I'm gonna be there for a little while, so loving that. But I was also thinking about what my father told me because I'm currently out of work because last Saturday had a kidney transplant, so I'm feeling much better, getting everything back in order and everything. And thinking about my father. My father passed away about 4 years ago. And one thing he told me about working, because currently out of work, and I was telling my wife, holiday season coming up when I was on my job, so when I get back to work, it's gonna be hustle time. And I remember my father telling me, when I was younger, I understand it. He was saying, don't focus on going to work, focus on the reason why you're going to work. And being that I have a 15-year-old son, got my wife, she got her business that she's building. That's what these are. Tumblers. She do tumblers, t-shirts, customize. Actually, if you click the link and go to my blog on the right hand side, you see a link that will take you to her information, so you can check that out. But my daddy said, focus on the reason why you're going to work. Don't focus on the work itself. If you focus on the work, of course you're gonna be miserable. But you focus on the reason why you do what you do. That makes a big difference, and it does. I don't focus on why. I don't focus on going to work. I focus on why I go to work. Focus on why I do these videos, post them on YouTube and social media. Promoting Exitus Elite so I can make up to $2,000 per day because it's all about providing for my family. And outside of that, my son being 15, I got to show him what man's supposed to do, the father supposed to do, head of household, or however you would say, the leader of the household or provider of the household, whatever. What they supposed to do, so I got to be that part. A lot of times you're going to hear about people in online marketing, they focus on, go full-time, forget that job and all that. Listen, anytime you making money for your family, whatever it is you're doing, money coming in, that's some good money. Don't matter what it is. But of course, we all know a job alone isn't going to cut it. So along with, getting my hours at work and going to work, support my family, I promote Exitus Elite. Automated system. I pretty much like this system here. This is a lead capture page that I personally made through Power Lead System. Exitus Elite do have its own capture pages. It do have a email autoresponder already built in. Already have the presentation. Also has a call center that if anytime, well, I say this, most people that come into business, they really don't know how to sell. And a lot of people are just starting in business. So instead of you having to close your own sales, which you can close your own sales for 100% commission. So you close a G2000, that's a $2,000 commission that you'll make. But if you're brand new and while you're learning, while you're building your skill, you can use the Exitus call center. It's all right. You can use the Exitus call center you set that up, turn that on, so your prospects will call Exitus. Exitus answer the questions and sign them up into the business, and it will send you 80% of commission. But actually, they send you 100% of commission, but then they will invoice you 20%. So example, at a G2000, you make $800 and the company will make $200. Now, a lot of people might say, I don't want to give up my money. Understand. You pretty much put content out there on the internet. Somebody hears you. Somebody saying, you know what, let me check that out. Right? And let me show you my sales page that I personally put together. And these videos that's on the sales page are the same videos that Exitus Elite have. But the reason I made my own sales page and put them together, because I think these videos in combination, it tells you everything you need to know about the company, everything you get, all the benefits and everything. And the call center, they call that number, right? If you don't want to talk to me, if you want to experience the call center for yourself and see how it'll close your sales for you experience it. But if you want to connect with me, my contact information is right here at the bottom. Feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm always open for a chit chat. But if you want to automate it, you can either do content marketing, like doing these videos like I'm doing right now. Obviously, we have a team bonus. I got my one-on-one bonus training. We got a matter of fact, I'll show you this. We have, what's that? The copy and paste file. I'm gonna add some stuff to that. I just recently want to add some. I just thought about some stuff I want to add to it, and got a mega swap file. Also have, I mentioned my one-on-one bonus training. We have 3-generation bonus training. This is all team training. This is training I got from my sponsor, which I'm going to in return give it to you once you become part of the team. At G1000, G2000, we have a team private chat for people who go big in their business. We want to help support you, and anytime you have questions, come into that chat, ask your questions. We got Sean, Matthew, Quincy, you got Victor, you got myself, you got a lot of people in that group. It's over 50 people that's in that group. So, and it's 50 people in that group simply doing what I'm doing now, cutting a video, telling you about myself, letting go, allowing people to connect with me, allowing people to connect with you. Just let people know what you're about. Just be yourself, be real. A lot of people say, is it really that simple? It's really that simple. It can be. People seem to overcomplicate the process, but it's all about just getting started, making a decision making a decision about how much you want to earn. Do you want to make $100 per sale? Do you want to make $2,000 per sale? I want to make $2,000 per sale. So, I'm in position to do that. One sale a month is $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year, right? 2 sales a month of $2,000, just 2 sales. That's $48,000 a year, right? That's in addition into my job. You know what I'm saying? So the whole concept is to have people connect with you. There's no secret lead sources. Now, you can't buy leads and run it through your automated system. Like I said, Exitus Elite comes with everything. Matter of fact, this video is talk about, the generalization of what Exitus has to offer. And this shows you the benefits. The compensation plan talks about all the, lead capture pages, everything you get. So these 2 videos together tell you everything. So with that, a person can see that and make a firm decision. It's all about making a decision to get that done. And in my one-on-one bonus training, in the 3-generation of bonus training, if you don't have money for traffic, we show you simple ways in our training to do just what I'm doing right here, right now. Cut a video on, let go, tell you what I believe about my business, tell you how I'm building the business. There's no secrets, right? That's pretty much it. Post on Facebook, just share who you are as a person, because people do business with people they know, like, and trust. And that's not about building know, like, and trust because, that person can help me market, because what works for one person may not work for another. It's about building a connection. Like me, I work a full-time job. So people who work full-time jobs may be interested in supplementing their income. But how you do that? Can you cut the camera on and let go? Can you tell people about your business? Can you let people know, about yourself, what you're about, what you're into? Do you like to travel? Me, I'm not a travel person. I'm a huge homebody. And I think my son rubbed off on me too. I rubbed off on my son, brother, because he stays home all the time. All he needs is his computer and his, chat with his friends, and he's happy. Me, same thing. My family is what I'm about. Like my wife over there working her business right now on the computer, eating her some ranch chicken. We went to Walmart, bought some ranch chicken. Ranch chicken was good. Wasn't it good, babe?
Yep.
You finished them?
I got one left.
Oh, okay. Now, you don't want it? Oh, she don't want that piece. I'm gonna eat that. Yeah. But that's pretty much it. Just want to come on camera. Just tell you what my father told me. It's all about doing what, for your family. Don't focus on the job. Appreciate it, babe. Don't focus on the job. Focus on why you doing it. All right. So listen, if you're interested in supplementing your income, you want to find out more about Exitus Elite, $2,000 commission, click the link down in the description. Okay, you're going to be brought to this page, enter your email address, brought to this page. This page gives you everything you need to know. You can, after seeing all this information, you will know if you want to do this business or not. That's how informational and that's how good Exitus Elite is. You will know. So want to contact me, my contact information is on this page and it's also down in the description. My name is Michael Petty. I appreciate you for watching this video. Talk to you soon.